Hello guys, welcome back to GM Styling. Today we are going to be unboxing the Transformers Botbots Gold Rush Series 4 Botbots, and it says here, as you can see, there's one gold figure included, 5 regular figures, 1 golden figure and 4 stickers, and it looks like a claw machine. Let's get started. I don't think I was supposed to open it like that, guys, but it's open, so we're going to have to deal with it now. So, this looks like it's wind-up teeth. Now, if we check on our list here, we can see what it is. On the list, it says its name is Skitter Chatter, and it is from the Magic Trickster set. So, let's try and transform it. I don't really understand this, but I don't think it would take like too long because I didn't give instructions to this, so they wouldn't make it that hard. I think this is it here, guys. Please correct me in the comments if I'm wrong, but I think that's it transformed. This is it transformed, I believe. So, let's move on to the next one. I don't think it can stand up by itself, so I'm just going to put it up there. Looks like another Botbot, guys. It's a pair of 3D glasses. So let's see where it is. It is from the movie Muggles, as you can see here, guys. Sorry that I messed it up, guys. I'll show you it again. That's it there. And as you can see, its name is Blu-ray Mooray, and it apparently turns into an owl. So let's transform it. It's got feet here. So I think this is it. So, oh wait, no, it's got ears. And a small little tail there. Here it is. Doesn't look like this one can stand up either. So I'll just put it like that. Huh? That's it transformed. And here's Skitter Chatter transformed. So this one is Botbot 2, guys. Inside it we have, look at that, guys. We've got 2 of the same one. We've got 2 of the same one here. This is our new one. Right there. I'll transform that for you guys. And right here, we also have another one, which I got recently before. So I know how to transform it, and its name is from the Sugar Shocks. It's a 2-star, and this is how you transform it. Apparently, by how it looks, I think it's a dragon. So if I can pull these out here, they turn into the wings, and this is Is it there, guys? Its name is, I'll show you in a second on the sheet. We also have it in its transformed form. So its name is Milton. So for our next one we have here, it looks like it's a sticker, guys. By what I'm seeing here, it's a sticker of a milk bot throwing up, and if I'm correct, it is from the group. It's from the group Spoiled Rottens in Series 3. So I'll put that there for you guys. For our next one here, it looks like it's another sticker. It looks like we have Quackles from Series 3 up top there, and Quackles in its transformed form is a rubber ducky. So what else we have is what looks like an iPad from the Playroom Posse in Series 3, and we also have what looks like a weed killer, because what it shows from the top. If I'm wrong, you can correct me in the comments. So I'm going to put that there. Our next one is another sticker, guys. So opening this, it looks like a dinosaur bot has a deodorant bot in its armpit right there. So I'm going to put that there for you guys. And it's time for the corn on the cob. So taking out the corn on the cob, let's see its name from the sheet. Its name is, if I can find it, its name is the Cobbler from the Los Deliciosos. Let's try transforming it. So what we're going to do here is what it looks like. We're going to pull that out. We're going to pull these back, and we're going to pull this up. Now guys, look at that. Corn the cob's angry. So we're going to pull out its arm, and what looks to be a cannon. Might shoot out corn. Here is the cobbler, guys. Oh, wait a sec. It's just came off, so I'm going to pop that straight back on, guys. There we go. Here is the cobbler. Sorry, I'll close the head again. Here is the cobbler, guys. It looks like he has some wings or a cape, whatever you guys want to prefer it as. We'll put the cobbler right there. Another sticker, guys. It looks like this will be our final sticker. It is a monkey from this series as well. It is from the Fresh Squeezes. Its name is Peels the Monkey. And it looks like a toilet roll bot is riding on its back. If it's not a toilet roll bot, correct me in the comments, because if it's not, I'm not sure what it is. So, looks like this is going to be our final regular bot or our golden bot. Let's find out. Oh guys, it's our final regular bot. Look at all the ones we've opened so far. Now let's try and transform it. But before that, guys, you know what we got to do? We got to check its name on the sheet. So it looks like it's from the Season Greeters. I did not think. Oh, guys, sorry, I was wrong for this. This is not a toilet roll Botbot. It is what's called the Flare Devil, and it is a firework. So sorry about that, guys. But we have Snotty Stem from Season Greeters. Let's transform it. There it is. For some reason, for all the other YouTube videos like you'll see Snotty Stem in, for some reason, it doesn't show Snotty Stem's face fully, but it would be like that in the other YouTube videos that you see as well. So I'm not sure why it does that. But continuing, I'll put Snotty Stem there. Now that means the next Botbot that we get will be our golden Botbot. So we'll put our golden popcorn here. We'll move him as well, put him there. And we'll put the corn on the cob next to our golden popcorn. And you should know why. And what we'll do is we're going to have our golden popcorn say hello to our new golden Botbot. It shakes like a Botbot. And if we've got, we've got 4 there, so we might have another Botbot. Oh wait, no, the cobbler's there. Sorry about that, guys. So this is our golden Botbot. Everyone is ready to see this, I hope. Let's see who we've got. It's a golden pencil, guys. We have a new addition to the winner's circle, and its name is Gold Dexter. So, transforming the Gold Dexter, this, I think, comes out. Yep, the feet come out there, guys. And it looks like his arms are extremely long, guys. Looks like we pull the head out of there. Sorry if you guys didn't see that, but if you get it yourself, it's pretty obvious how to do it. But just again, if you didn't see, this is how you do it from that tab there, and it pulls it down. And we have our pencil there, putting him here next to the corn and popcorn. His name, once again, is Gold Dexter. And what we're going to do is we're going to transform our golden popcorn for you guys. And then I think we have our final Botbot case. So we have Popper Gold here, the Cobbler, and Golden Dexter. So after looking at this sheet many times, I have just realised, guys, that I did chitter chatter wrong, so I'm going to transform in the correct way for you guys. Here he is transformed the correct way. Sorry about that, guys. Well, if you was going to correct me in the comments, you do not have to now. And looking at this, its teeth are bigger, so I think I've done that wrong. Yep. So I'm going to put that there, put him back down for you guys, and it looks like, guys, that was our final capsule